space and time. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shells. And it's not so binary how we journey to ourselves. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue of the time, no reason to be subdued. We all know the skies for the first time. They draw the lines, just read in between. I'm chasing you. Pause myself, hold my breath before I die. Like jellyfish beneath the surface, the sparks that make us thrive. And I see the never-ending shoreline, and now I'm not alone. It's funny how sometimes we need to lose our way to find our home. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue of the time, no reason to be subdued. We all know the skies for the first time. They draw the lines, just read in between. I'm chasing you.